Once upon a time, it was a bright sunny. A crow was very hungry. He couldn't find to eat. He got tired and suddenly he saw a piece of cheese in, in a plate. He went near the plate and picked up the cheese in his beak and flew away. He sat on a tree to eat, and while he started eating his cheese, a cunning fox came. Tuck, tuck, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, and saw the crow with the piece of cheese in his beak. Yummy cheese! His mouth started watering. He wanted that cheese. He thought an idea to take the cheese from the crow. So he said,
"Hey, handsome crow, I have heard that your voice is very sweet. Can you please sing a song for me?"
The crow was surprised. No one prays like that. No one praised his voice. All of a sudden, Fox is praising his voice, but he felt good. Fox says again,
"Hey, dear crow, your feather is so shiny. I wonder how sweet your voice would be."
and now Crow was flattered. Silly Crow opened his mouth and started singing. All of you singing? Sing. How the crow sings? As soon as the crow opened his mouth, what happened? Yes, the cheese fell down. And then the clever fox grabbed the cheese and ran away. The crow, he realized what he has done. He felt very bad and still he is hungry.
So, children, what is the moral of the story? You should first think, then act. Never trust the flatterer. Don't trust the flatterer. Okay, children?
Otherwise, you all will become fool as crow. crow know na his voice is not good, right? He think, but he fall into the false praise and he lose his cheese and he is hungry. Thank you, children.